I
don't have business.
I don't care. Yes, so I'm happy that only told about that line. I've been very, very happy that God bless the forever. Animal who the best in a very good condition and I cannot deny that one and I have one.
Thank you very much.
I want to thank each and every one of you for putting in your best at this project because like a month in your home, a year home, about I got wash it. You say, it will still go back. But for your residence and determination.